Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, good afternoon. Let me present you The Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 38. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Shishani and Queen Jiangshu. The two of them are going to take a bath. Also, will go to sauna. It was a mana fund, also called as sauna. When the two of them enter in the room, they are all empty. The Queen Mother and the Queen suddenly get fuss. Then, Queen Sishaning, she turned back at her. Last piece, why don't you sisters take it up yourself? My sister is clumsy and may not able to serve her well. She was pertaining to herself. She can able to serve Queen Sishaning. It's like you, how can you blame Aija for doubting that you have no wrong intentions? Now, Queen Jiangshu, she was really shy and doubtful to herself. It will be better, don't avoid it. Also, think about it without any hesitation. Queen Jiangshu said, no. Of course, right now, she was really shy. And also, she don't know if she can able to serve her well. You really want to take off your clothes in front of me. Well, she was really shy. She was covering her eyes so she cannot see the Queen Mother itself. But, well, this little queen, of course, she was really peeking right now. And it makes really sense. Queen Jiangshu see hers. Right now, looking at her, it seems that she was thinking something. Now she was gently taking it off. Queen Shishaning, looking at her. She looks really mischievous, but right now, she want to call Jiangshu. Probably she want to tease her again. Of course, she soaked herself on the sauna. And looking at her, Aija is so beautiful. Queen Jiangshu said to herself. Queen Sishaning, she was looking at Jiangshu, and it's like that. She was really going to tease her so much. I am finished. What I am, picking at her. Well, since Jiangshu was really shy, right now she don't know what to do. The queen itself, she was really happy teasing her so much like this. Oh no, you do take down yours. Well, Queen Jiangshu, Queen Sishaning requested her to take herself also. Me, isn't this serving you? Come, we become to wash together. Could it be that you want to serve Aijadar? But right now, Queen Jiangshu, she was really thinking if she can able to do her job. Also, if she can able to take Queen Sishaning's plan. Looking at her, she was really smiling like a sly fox. Suddenly, Queen Jiangshu, now there's an accident and she was sliding down. Oh, someone might help her. She's going on the full. Now, it really makes sense. She will really fall down and it must really hurt. Well, let's see. If Queen Shishaning will help her, also will not tease her again. Well, it was right. Queen Shishaning rashly moved forward, sir. Sister is so anxious to serve the Aija. Well, Queen Sishaning, she really helped her so she can able to fall down on the water. Now, she was hugging her tightly. With the bare skin of the Queen Mother. Right now, Sishaning, she was really hugging her tightly. And suddenly, Queen Jiangshu had come back to her senses that it was really awkward. But suddenly, Queen Sishaning snatched her and kissed her gently. Well, the Queen Mother suddenly became rogue. Right now, she was kissing her. It makes sense to Queen Jiangshu. She was only looking at her. Probably, she won't restrain herself. Also, she is gritting her teeth. Of course, right now, she cannot refuse her, but it seems that she was really liking what Queen Shishinin is doing to her. She was dragged into the water by her and did such thing for no reason. Right now, she was questioning herself how. How right now she is not restraining herself. Also, it seems that she's kinda liking this idea. Right now, Queen Jiangsu is like she was really in trance. She don't know how to feel this feeling. But right now, Queen Shishaning, she moved closer to her and teasing her and said, "You want it again?" Oh, Queen Shishaning, she was really sly fox. No, how can my sister be free to relatives? Who told Aija to be idle? You want to call all the phallus mains and units. At will, there's no need for that, Queen Jiangsu said to the Queen Mother. Right now, Queen Shishaning said, "What to do with your tongue? Take a shower quickly." Queen Shishaning, she will be served by Queen Jiangsu. But right now, since she was really shy, she soaked herself on the water and she is not going off until then. And it really makes sense. Queen Shishaning, she was really fussed on the actions of Queen Jiangsu. Okay, this is essential oil prepared by the phallus attendants. After applying it, I will give Aija a massage. Oh, this is a good thing right now. Where to get massage? He was asking Queen Shishaning on which place is she going to massage. Oh, the Queen Mother. She looked back at her and she was looking at her to see her reaction. Because right now she knows that she is teasing Queen Jiangsu. And also right now Queen Jiangsu means full body. She can see her everything. She was really shocked by the idea of the Queen Mother. And right now she's only standing there. Yes, sister, I am clumsy, I can't. Queen Mother said, is it? So right now, since she don't know how to do it, she was smiling again on a sly fox. Just massage this essential oil over your body. Right now, the Queen Mother, she took off the essential oil. How to do a back massage properly so she don't have any mistakes. Well guys, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join on membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!